If your cough just won't quit, your chest feels heavy with mucus, or you've been dealing with lingering lung issues, Elecampane is one of the best herbs to help clear things out deep. Cinnamon or honey for warmth and sweetness. Drink this tea 1 to 2 times per day during periods of deep lung congestion or chronic cough. You can also combine it with mullein, thyme, or licorice root for a more rounded respiratory formula. Elecampane isn't your everyday kitchen herb, but when your lungs need reliable support, it's one of the most trusted herbs in the apothecary.